dark my under eyes look. It's not like that in real life, honestly. If you see me in person, it's not that dark. Camera shows like all like the bad stuff. Anyways, we're back at a Pandibira, and it's a cafe in Piazza Osopo, and near some banks and stuff. It's really cloudy and rainy today, but you know, it's a weekend and I wanted to go out and, you know, do something. So we're having lunch outside here. I'm having a sandwich and a piece of cake. Anyways, the weather's really good. It's like 16 degrees today, but I'm still in my winter coat these days because at night it still gets a bit cold. But honestly, I could probably change it. I could probably start wearing, you know, more spring, fall kind of clothes, less heavy coats and stuff. People are looking at me now. People looking at me. I'm such a weirdo. This is the cappuccino. There's a lot of foam on top. My trick is to put like this kind of powdery sugar over, mix it with the cream, the foam, and then you eat the foam first, and then you put more sugar inside and mix it, and then you drink the coffee. So I always drink the foam first. I always eat the foam first, but sugared foam. It tastes good. So I ate all the foam. Look, that's how much actual coffee's in there. It's not coffee, it's like coffee with milk. But Italy makes the best cappuccinos, and the foam was really good with sugar. Okay, this is the cake thing I got, and I got a tramezzino. Tramezzino is a sandwich. It's tuna, olives, lettuce, and I think mayonnaise. Yeah? Tramezzinos are good. These are, for me, it's a sandwich, right? But in Italy, it's not really a sandwich because a sandwich they call a tramezzino. It's like its own thing. Here, instead of toast, they call toast a sandwich. But you know, for us, toast is something different. Toast is just bread for us. So an Italian toast is a proper sandwich with toasted bread, and this is a tramezzino, which they don't call a sandwich. And then panino, the panino is the real sandwich in Italy with different kinds of bread. And this is a cake with cream that I got. I'm just gonna see what's in here. I don't know. Tell you later. Okay, what it is like, you know, this fine kind of pastry thing. Cake, a little thin layer of cake, then cream and berries. And it really just tastes like strawberry shortcake. Or like if you've been to Japan, a crepe with strawberries and cream, nama ichigo crepe. Now over there, Enrico's gonna go over there to get an ice cream, and this is the Piazza Osopo, and it's very nice. And that's the Pandibire Cafe. You see the bire with the Ili symbol. Ili is a coffee brand here. Oh, magnolias! This is like a little tiny magnolia tree. Wow. And in the supermarket, plants are on sale. Roses, and those are camellia. Camellia I never used to see in Canada. Dahlias, snapdragons, and things. All this stuff for Easter. It's all decorated. Enrico's gonna look for an egg. Maybe we'll get one. And they have the pandoros too. It's like a cake with fruit in it or cream in it. Colomba, actually, not pandoro. They call it colomba. I don't understand the difference actually. Of course you have the Kinder one, and they even have Kinder fairies. Look. They have Kinder for her or for him. Because they have the fairies or they have the Maxi Louis. But isn't that sexism? I don't know. When it comes to tomato sauce, Mutti is like my favorite and Enrico's father's and parents' favorite. So it's on sale. So What we do is we buy a case. That's how it works in Italy. When it's on sale like that, you gotta buy the whole case. Look. Colomba with chocolate and cream inside, and we got a big chocolate egg. Colomba means dove, by the way, so it's shaped like a dove. But I think it's the same as a pandoro actually, except for the shape. Some yogurt and tomato sauce, and that's pretty much it actually. A Ninja Turtles Colomba and a Violetta Colomba, and yeah, that's what they have here. Okay, Freyja's under the car there, and Oliver's there. I came home and I heard, you know, I don't know what's going on.